Check out our new blog post element that's now available in both funnels and websites. This feature allows you to easily add and organize blog posts within any funnel step or website page. This is going to seriously enhance content integration and ultimately the user experience. I love the benefits of this feature update. This is probably one of, if not my favorite update of the week. First of all, this is really going to enhance content integration. Now you can seamlessly add your blog posts to any funnel or website page. That gives a huge benefit, and there are a lot of options to doing that. It's also going to improve your organization because now, no matter where you add those blog posts, you can sort and filter them by category and author. And it's also a really seamless process. This is going to be super easy to add to your sites with this simple drag and drop action. As far as practical use goes, this is probably one of the reasons I love this feature. Let's say you have a wildly popular blog post. It gets a ton of attention, likes, shares, and engagement. Well, now you can add that blog post directly into a funnel or website page anywhere. So think about adding that into anything that makes sense where you want to go ahead and share that content. So let's first create either a funnel or a website, or we can edit one. In this example, we're going to create a funnel. And because this is a sites feature, we want to make sure that we click on sites in the navigation. Then we're going to go to either funnels or websites, whichever is best for you, and we're going to click on plus new funnel, or we're going to edit an existing funnel. Now from there, while we're in funnels, we're going to edit a funnel step. So go to funnels, steps, and then click on edit. Now go ahead and add a section and a row. So to do this, just click the plus icon, and then you're going to utilize sections, and then inside of those sections, you will add that row. Now let's add the blog post element. So you're going to click the plus again, you're going to go to elements, and now you're going to go to blog posts. Now simply drag that in, and then on the right side, we're going to click on general, and then we're going to customize that. We can choose the blog style as well as sort by, how many, etc. So this is what it looks like when you're selecting the category. This feature simplifies the process of integrating blog content anywhere on your website. This is going to enhance user experience, engagement, and it's going to make your content management so much more effective. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.